This is a Tesla coil from Engine&More's website. And this Tesla coil is very, very cool because you can build it yourself. What I mean by that is all these electrical components you see on the circuit board here were soldered there by myself. They come in a bag along with the other components needed, like this pre-wound coil, secondary coil, and you end up making the whole thing yourself, which is super fun, super interesting. The only thing that you're going to need is a soldering iron. Just takes a little bit of practice to get good at it, and it is a very fun learning experience. So to describe the components here, we have an audio in, we have a power in, we have two heat sinks on two of these electrical components here. We have the primary and the secondary coil with a discharge wire. We have 4 standoffs, and on the bottom you can see all those soldering connections I've made. We have some resistors and we have some capacitors, and that is basically it. The device also comes with an audio cable and a power supply. Now, let's go ahead and plug this in. Plugging it in, you can see the wire will want to start spinning around or moving, which is very cool, just because of how the plasma and ions are coming off the wire like that. It's moving. And just to note, you should not touch these heat sinks because they're very hot, especially after running it for a few minutes, which is another important note. I would not run this for more than a few minutes because you could burn yourself on these heat sinks. And before I wrap up this video, it is also worth noting that you can actually play music using this port here connecting to another device. All in all, while you may not get the loudest sounds from this Tesla coil or the most impressive sparks, there's one selling point here, or one point that is important if you are interested in this, and that is that you can build this yourself, and it is a very cool experience, and it is a cool model to have like on your desk or anything of the sort. So yeah, all in all, this thing is pretty good quality, and the components used allow you to solder it all yourself and have a cool, fun experience while doing it as well, and create something rewarding in the end. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you're interested, check out Engine&More's website for a model like this or similar models.